G'day guys, today we're back with another product video. Today we're looking at brake kits, in particular the major service kit for the rear drum brakes of the Toyota Hilux, both the GUN and the KUN. Okay, so we've got the brake drums, two of those fit both the GUN and the KUN Hilux. We've got the brake shoes here. Got the brake cylinders, as you can see here, like these spring kits, the adjusters and the struts. So obviously any parts that make it into the Takeo range are of a really high quality, but we know that when it comes to the braking system in vehicles, it is smart to often resort to the OEM. So in this brake kit, we do include a lot of genuine OEM parts, like these spring kits, the adjusters and the struts, things like that. The point here is consolidating SKUs, right? So this kit in particular combines over 10 individual component codes into that single kit. Great for the head office purchasing team. It's good for the storeman because it's easier for them to actually keep track of all the stock and not have to keep track of a million different fiddly parts. And then it's great for the fitters because they know, hey, I've got to do these brakes. If I go to the stores, I can pick that kit up off the shelf and it's got everything I need every time. The components aren't going to change. You know that what you see is what you get. I've bought that kit before, so if I buy it again, it's going to have the parts that I know. Now, as far as the actual planning and scheduling go, the benefit for this is that by the time the vehicle gets to the workshop with a brake-related issue, it's very rare that it's just the drums, or it's just the springs, or it's just the shoes. The likelihood is that in these harsh mining conditions, by the time that vehicle gets into the workshop, the whole braking system probably needs an overhaul anyway. If this sounds like something that could benefit you or your team on site, let us know and we'll set up a quote for you.